Strength and Balance Lady here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get up if you have bad knees. So first and foremost, if you know that you have bad knees, you need to spend extra time and effort building your upper body strength, because your upper body is what you're really going to need to help get you up from the floor if you have bad knees. Okay, so I recommend that you follow my upper body strengthening program to help it so you build upper body strength so you're able to maneuver your own body when on the floor. Okay, so here we go. If you've fallen and you have bad knees, what you're going to do is the same process. You're going to wiggle your fingers and your toes, all right, so we make sure that we're okay. And if we're not okay, we use our medic alert button. But if we are okay, we need to roll over onto our belly. So what you're going to do is you're going to raise one arm, raise the opposite knee, and just roll over onto your belly. Okay, so once you're on your belly, okay, and your arms are above your head, toes are tucked up underneath you, what you're going to do is you're going to bring your elbows back here where they are in line with your shoulders. Now, toes, again, are tucked underneath you in your kickstand position. At this point, what you're going to do is you're going to lift your hips up as you walk yourself back and push yourself to here. Now I'm in a squatted position and I can get back up from there.